Steven Smith with MarineMax in Stuart. Wanted to do a quick walkthrough video today with you guys on a brand new piece of inventory, this Sea Ray 280 SLX. This is a new 2026, one of our favorite models by Sea Ray. We optioned this with the beautiful dune interior color scheme. We have a nice windlass up front, so you've got the ability to wash that down. You also have a remote control for your windlass with a freshwater rinse down. Nice storage in the bow. They also have this great dedicated storage area here. This is good for your tables, your bow filler cushion, extra items while on board. They've got nice cutouts with cup holders on the sides here. A little bit of storage in the walkthrough, flip down armrests. As we come through, you have a walk-through door that blocks off the wind on those colder evenings. You can close the windshield and have protection in the cockpit. You also have a little storage area here on the side of the helm with a trash can, dedicated. We have a nice head compartment, lots of storage with a magnet that holds the door open. That's a vacuum flush head and a freshwater sink. And at the co-pilot's seat here, you have a nice bolstered seat where you can lift this up. You have wireless charging for your phone, additional cup holders. You'll notice how all the speakers are covered to look very sleek and integrated. As we move to the helm, a unique feature here, we have a double wide helm seat, so you could also have one more person sitting next to you. You have a nice beautiful glass dash here with two 12-inch SIM rods. Nice storage areas for your phone, another wireless charger for a phone by the captain. This boat is equipped with joystick standard, so this will have autopilot, skyhook, and joystick function. Your controls here, you have trim tabs, a tilt steering wheel. We did also option the premium audio package, so this has the upgraded Fusion audio with subwoofer and additional speakers. There's a large ski locker here in the floor. As we move back, we'll briefly look up at this power tower. This is one of the great options on the 280 SLX. This is a power tower that articulates all the way to the windshield. So if you were to get stuck in some inclement weather, you could drop this down and have additional protection. It also has a lot of shade and an extended rear shade as well. Into the cockpit, we added the option for the cockpit refrigerator. This is a nice 12-volt refrigerator that'll run off your house battery, keep some beverages cool. This is the storage section. This is great for some phone, wallet, keys, purses, things like that. There's also an additional wireless charger and cup holders here. The seat bases in the cockpit are hinged. These are on gas shocks, so we have a fully finished area over here for storage. This runs all the way to the back of the boat. This is great for your large items. On this side, this is great for a couple removable soft-sided coolers. And you have a built-in cooler there. There's another storage compartment here, good for some shoes, flip-flops, things like that. You'll notice how you have cup holders all throughout. There's a large storage compartment here. Sea Ray has built this nice storage caddy here. This goes over top of all of your bilge compartment. You can remove this and get access to your onboard battery charger, your bilge pumps, your batteries, fuses, things like that. Great place to store extra life jackets. As we make our way back to the sun pad, at the transom, you'll see we've got a nice sandbar cooler right here. Great for a dozen beverages or so you don't have to keep coming in and out of the boat. There's a freshwater shower and a radio control here. Nice for when you're at the sandbar. You have another storage compartment here. And then at the back, we have this connection to that huge storage compartment that goes forward. This is a great area for a stern anchor, large water toys, lily pads, things like that. There's also a 12-volt inflator, and we have rear-facing speakers. All of this is powered by twin 250 horsepower Mercury Verados. These are V8s, of course controlled by the joystick. And as you can see, beautiful dune interior color scheme. This boat is available, brand new and ready to make its way to your home for the summer. Come see us at MarineMax Stuart today.